In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the QuickBooks Online login in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner trying to keep track of your finances, or you're just getting started with QuickBooks, knowing how to access your account is essential. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you can log in quickly and get straight to managing your finances. First, when you're at the QuickBooks homepage, your journey begins by clicking on the Sign In button. You'll usually find this prominently displayed at the top right corner of the web page. This button is your gateway to accessing the entire range of QuickBooks services, so it's an important first step. Clicking Sign In will lead you to the login options, setting you up to choose which QuickBooks product you need to access. Once you click the Sign In button, you need to choose the option labeled QuickBooks Online from the drop-down menu. It's crucial to select the right product because QuickBooks offers multiple services, and logging into the wrong one can cause confusion and potential delays in getting your work done. Always double check that you've selected QuickBooks Online to ensure you're on the right track. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll see the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials. These include your username or email and your password. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's important to ensure you're entering your details correctly to avoid being locked out of your account. If you happen to forget your credentials, you'll find options on this page to reset your password, so don't worry. It's always a good idea to store your login details securely to prevent such hiccups in the future. Once your credentials are entered correctly, go ahead and click on the Continue button to log in. This action takes you directly into your QuickBooks Online dashboard where all of your financial information is stored. Here you can start managing invoices, tracking expenses, or whatever tasks you need to handle for your business or personal accounting. That's it, you've successfully logged into QuickBooks Online. It's a simple and direct process, but crucial for getting started with the powerful tools QuickBooks provides. Just remember to log out after you've finished your session, especially if you're on a shared or public computer, to keep your financial data secure. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you need to review these steps, feel free to rewind and watch this video again. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best with managing your finances using QuickBooks Online. Be sure to check out our other tutorials if you need more assistance or want to explore additional features of QuickBooks.